Good day, guys. Good day, guys. I'm going to be showing you how to um, register on LinkedIn. How you can have an account on LinkedIn is not quite different from the normal social media applications. Just different switches, different things you need to do, some minor adjustments. So the first thing you have here is sign in using another account or sign into my real account, Ambassador Kachuku Henry. So I will just, because I want to create a new account, I want to show you guys how everything is done from scratch to finish. I'm going to click the join now. Just follow me. And then it says join LinkedIn, my email or phone. I'm going to put my second email account. You see the password. I'm going to just add the password. Continue. I said the first name. So then the first name is very, very important when you want to put um, first name and your last name is important. Facebook doesn't support titles. Doesn't support titles. So why joining on LinkedIn, you can actually add your title or anything you want to add. So my first account, what was there is Ambassador Onakachukwu Henry. So this one, I'm just want to keep it simple and short. I'm trying to show you guys how it's done. But make sure it's your first name. No, in LinkedIn, it's not like Facebook or Twitter where you use any name you want to choose, use emojis. No, in LinkedIn, remember we say it's a professional network, it's a professional platform. So use better you use your real name for authenticity, for to make it authentic, and so people will not be doubting you. You do not think that you're a scammer. So it's better you use your real name to join the platform. Your real name. When I mean your real name, I mean your real name. So use your real name, put your first name and put your last name. Avoid usernames, avoid guy names or nicknames. Just put your real name. It's a professional platform. Just like an online CV. Someone viewing your LinkedIn profile is just like viewing your CV. And your CV, don't put your nickname there. Neither do you put your username. You just put your real name. So put your real names. So I'm gonna put my Henibeki Edu. And the reason for this is because I'm trying to show you guys something, how it's done. But on a normal day, what will be here is Onakachuku Henry, which is my name. So I'm not put Henibeki Edu because I've already used the right name. Henibeki Edu. So agree and join. So let's see what the next thing you're telling us. Okay, let's do a quick security check. So they want to make sure that you are the one that like you're the one that have access to the Gmail account. They want to make sure that you're a human being. They don't want robots on their site. They want to make sure that it's a human being that's actually there, that's actually registering there. So you just click verify, and they say you pick the image that is the correct way up. So you just scan the image. It could be any image. The first time I tried was a bear, so you could just pick the right one. Could be any image. So they could use any image, but what you owe them is just to pick the right one. So this one is not placed well, this 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 is not placed well. So the one that is placed well, the one that is normal is this one. So we said the one done. Okay, pick the image that is correct way up. This same one is this one is actually 4 times, but the one I did before was only 2 times. So in case it appears more time, just continue. You're still on, just keep picking the right answer. Correct way up. Okay, I think that's done. Correct way up, that's this one. So 5/5. Okay, that means, okay, sir, it means that I'm a human being. Okay, so the next thing they'll show is to ask you to put your city, put your location. So I'm based in Owerri. So I say Owerri, Imo State. It's already shown here. Any country, you can decide to put Chicago. Okay, anything is shown here, or Benin, or any place at all, Lagos. So wherever you are, just put it. So I'm gonna put Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria. Shown next. Click on the next button. So okay, they say your profile helps you discover people and opportunities. So now the next thing, the first option here is I'm a student. And if I click this, if I this is on no, it's set to no. If I click yes, I want to put in mostly my university degree specialization and start here. But I don't really prefer you putting I'm a student, and the reason is because um there's a way people might see when they say, oh, this guy is still a student in this course. I'm not discouraging you. If you want to do that, it's fine. I'm just sharing my own personal reasons. If you make your own inquiries and say, okay, I want people to know I'm a student, there's no problem. And I think you can actually change that later. But This is just to help you to get started. So, when people come and see, okay, he's a student, they feel like you've not really gotten the full knowledge or capacity of that particular field or scope. So I don't put I'm a student. Rather, I will advise people to put your particular course in view. For example, if you're a medical doctor, if you are reading medicine and surgery, you can say a surgery in view, meaning that anybody that's reading it is trying to is will know that okay, this guy is still in school and is hoping to attain this level after a period of years. So it makes people it's more professional to me. It's more professional. I prefer that format. So I'm just gonna stick with my recent job titles because the reason I'm coming to LinkedIn is also to find jobs. Yeah, that's part of the reason. Apart from networking with creatives and professionals, building myself, kind of learning, I'm also coming to look for jobs. So I have to be very, very formal and intentional about it. So I must recent jobs there too. Since Haribeki Edu, my brand is about creative writing, inspiring people, and speaking. So let me just go with creative writing for now. Creative writing. Okay, this one. Employment type. Is if is it okay, freelance. Okay, so they have full time, meaning every time, part time. They have self-employed, they have freelance, they have contract, internship, apprentice, seasonal. My own actually falls into three categories here: full time, self-employed, and freelance. But I want to put the one that is mostly obvious, like kind of the one that shows about talks about a particular job more and is self-employed. Yeah. So wanna click next. Click next. Okay, then it now asks me, um, help adding a photo helps people recognize you. So adding a picture to your profile can never be overemphasized. Apart from LinkedIn, it can help you beyond so many ways. Um, One of the reasons that is because LinkedIn is a very very big platform. We have millions of people on this platform, so people might not really know you might not really know you firsthand. So the way they can able to know you is through your picture. Okay, this is the person I'm dealing with. And your picture helps to build trust because once they see your picture, they say, okay, this is the person I'm working with, this is the person I'm connecting with, this is the person I'm following. And apart from that, it could also be of help to you. And let's say for example now you write a particular article or a particular post that trends online and then they want to know who did it, maybe for opportunities, for scholarship, for anything, and then they come to your profile to see the person and then your face is not there. It kind of makes things look like this person. Like it brings down the spirit. This person doesn't even have a picture, so how will I know who he is? How will I know who she is? And if people see it tomorrow, they might not even recognize you sef because they don't know who you are. Even with your name, tons, millions of people can answer the same name with you, but nobody can have the same facial identification with you. So you are just unique. You look the way you are. Nobody looks like you. Even though someone try to do plastic surgery, you still look authentic. So which is why you should need to put your picture. People need to see your picture and know, okay, this is who I'm talking with, this is who I'm working with. So I'm not gonna add the photo. I say choose from a gallery. Make sure your picture you're adding is a professional picture. LinkedIn is not a place for anyhow people. It's a place for professional people. So make sure the picture you're adding is a professional one. Make sure. And professional one I mean as in a studio picture or a picture that is depicting who you are. People can see and they are like they are, how would I say it? They have respect for you. Don't just go and add any picture, any hard picture you see. It's not gonna do. So look for something that is okay. Let me find I have tons of pictures here. Let me pick my bio picture and add. Okay, so this is the picture I'm adding now, and save is okay like this. So pick a picture that picks you, a picture that when people see they know about you, a good picture, a studio picture. Don't just go and pick a picture where you stick out your tongue like lizard or where you're taking a random selfie. No. And I don't even advise people to use the take a photo option here. Don't use take a photo option here because you might not be better prepared for it. And I don't think selfies work very well for this. Just take a studio picture, look for a good picture you've taken already, professional one, then add it, choose it. So I click on next. They say enter the verification code. sent to my Gmail. So this is to confirm finally that I'm the owner of the Gmail account, that the Trust Liberty TV. So what I just do to go to my Gmail account to go and copy the code. It's just as easy as that. Okay. Okay. So they verify the code now, and then they ask me, I do for a job right now. I can say, okay, let me just click here, just to show you, just to shop you. Okay, they say import contact. That is those people who are already my friends, people I already know already. And so you can help me to connect with them or follow them already to see what they are doing already. So kind of takes maybe a few months to walk through. So just be patient enough until it's done and is done. Okay. Okay, this error of fetching data. So maybe let's dismiss this. Let's keep for now. Let's keep for now. And click on these are the people. You can choose to follow people, creatives too, professionals too. So I'm not gonna finish it just because of what we are doing here. So this is my profile. So when Prince Obina comes, he's gonna tell us a lot about these options, about the cover picture, about everything. He's gonna tell us everything we need to know about this particular field, how to optimize it well. So you guys are gonna be get a full dose about it. He's gonna talk about he will be speaking for like 30 to 45 minutes about it. So have no worries or whatsoever about it. So this is just a simple way of opening your profile, creating a profile, registering on LinkedIn. So just start registering, because without registering you cannot really learn anything about it. Thank you.